The Crude Life with host Jason Spiess.
My name is Jason Spiess, and this is the Crude Life Daily Update. On today's episode, we talk with Tiffany Steiner and Jackie Jenkin from the Bakken Barbecue about this year's 7th annual Bakken Barbecue happening June 14th. In just a moment, part of our exclusive interview with Tiffany Steiner and Jackie Jenkin from the Bakken Barbecue. This is the Crude Life Daily Update.
Well, our event, like you said, is June 14th at the Dickinson Ice Rink parking lot. Opens to the public at 4 p.m. and the event goes to 11. We have live music brought to us by Sawdust. So our one big thing is judging this year. We kind of changed around judging. I've taken the lead on that, along with Hope, our accountant for our Bakken Barbecue. The judging is secret, so only Hope and I know who the selected judges are. Judging will be done right before the event starts, and we're going to keep it a secret as to whose food they're eating. And then the judges will determine at that point who's the winner, and then the winners will be announced at 9 o'clock. So we're trying to keep our judging, we're trying to get more professional with our judging. This year we're going away from the silent auction, and we are going toward a live auction. We're going to have about 8 to 10 items, and we will be doing this at 8 o'clock for the public, and we have a live auctioneer there, and they will be auctioning off items. We've got some pretty great prizes lined up. It's something you just don't want to miss, and something that, you know, just supports our event and also supports Make-A-Wish. This will be the 5th year that we've chosen Make-A-Wish North Dakota. I think the biggest thing with Make-A-Wish is that we are able to help children in Southwest North Dakota. So we are truly affecting our community, the people that we see every day that, you know, our neighbors are the one down the street. So I think that's the greatest thing that we can do is help our own people in our towns. And also we are able to, you know, meet the children and give them their wish and everything like that. So it's something exciting, and we truly love working with everyone at Make-A-Wish North Dakota.
To listen to the full-length interview with Tiffany Steiner and Jackie Jenkin with the Bakken Barbecue, or to listen to other exclusive interviews, visit thecrudelife.com. That's thecrudelife.com. The Crude Life also has social media pages. Check us out, 350,000 social media followers with our network at thecrudelife.com, the social media link. From the staff at the Crude Life Daily Update, my name is Jason Spiess, asking you to keep calm and frack on.
Jason Spiess, the most trusted voice in the Bakken.
I totally agree with you, and the word that you brought into this is fact. You tell the facts, and then you let people make up their own minds.
You want someone who's competent. You don't want to get a bunch of rookies.
Love listening to Jason Spiess on the radio, and if I miss him there, I catch him online.
Let's bring in Jason Spiess, who is a multimedia journalist in North Dakota. Jason, what's your thought on this?
No one does an interview like Jason Spiess.
Historic. The first full conversion refinery to be built in the U.S. in over 40 years. Innovative. The cleanest, most technologically advanced downstream project ever. The model for future shale basin projects. Groundbreaking. With construction resuming in early 2019. The Davis Refinery.